Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you how to get a new card when you lost your old Tymebank card. You touch the screen, you go to get started, then say login. Okay, on that login you're gonna put your ID number, of which I won't show guys. Then after that you can say next. Let me clear. I think it was shorting. Okay, after putting the ID number, what you do, you say next. Login with PIN, login with thumb. Ne? Okay, I'm gonna use my thumb here. Okay, scanning here. After doing that, it's processing. Let me show if they want to show any information. Yes, I'm in right now. You can see cards. Ne? I can't even. Okay, click on cards. Yes. Off. I switch this off. I'm having someone who's helping me works for Tymebank. I switch that off. Where can I press? Here. Replace card here. He's helping me. That's why I'm doing a video so that guys you don't get. So they say it costs 70 rands to replace your card. Okay, lost, stolen, damaged. I would say lost because it got lost. Okay, then I say okay. After that, get your new debit card. I say okay, let's do it. OTP, it's gonna give me the OTP and I'm busy recording. Don't worry, I'm gonna pause. Yeah guys, so we're back after putting the OTP, so I'm gonna put in a pin, create a pin. I'm gonna create a pin. Okay, then you go yes, we confirm this pin and you say yes. It said successful, then you say you go there, it's gonna print a card for you. You can see it gives you a new card, brand new card. Get me, I didn't want to show you much of that, but anyway, here's the card. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video. Yeah, here's the new card. So the guy helped me, but you can see since the guy helped me, it means you don't need anyone to help you. You can only watch this video and be fine. So the new Tymebank, I'm gonna show you. It's here. It's a Visa card. It's brand new, fine. So you're gonna do what? You're gonna see. You're gonna be doing this. Yeah. After watching this, you don't need to go to anyone, because some pick and pays you can find. If you wanna do it on Sunday or Saturday, you find those guys, they don't work, but the machine is there. So you just do the steps with done, then you're cool, you're good to go. So I'm doing it here in Woodmead, pick and pay. Here you can see that's the branch I'm doing in, but most of the pick and pays now, they have those machines, right? So I lost mine, and these ones, and I lost mine, but also you can see what happens is like it comes with a smart shopper, you get me? So whenever you use this card, you'll be getting the same points on your smart shopper account, you get me? So I'm really happy that guys I tried to help you. So you can switch off the video or you can rewind to see what you missed. Remember, do much videos here for banks. So I did FNB, remember, I did Capitec, I did a lot. I think if you've been watching my videos, you can see how the same area I don't want to record people's faces, and it's not something good. You see yourself in a video when you didn't. Yeah, it won't make someone happy. That's why I record down and also record the screen. Even the guy who was helping me, I never recorded his screen, his face. Yeah, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to do what? To like, to comment, and if you have any question, you can leave it, drop it here. We will help you. Yeah, as every day what we do. It's the same thing of doing videos, helping people like that. But if you subscribe and comment, something good for us. We like it. You get me? So it's a very beautiful center. Also, there is a what they call we sell cars is there. We have also there is Clicks. There's King's Meat. There's this shop, that shop there. There's also Mr. Price. Those are ones Mr. Price if you want to come to do something here. Yeah, you know Mr. Price there. It's there. And Spec Savers. It's here. It's coming. It's new. You can see they haven't done much. So we also have what they call factory. Yeah, it's here. And also we have Clicks. See, Clicks also just came last year. We have Discount. Also those who Muslim guys, there is a prayer room down here. Also we have the perfume gallery. It's here. Yeah. So Mr. Price. It's here. Yeah, there are a couple of shops, almost every shop. We also have Woolworth here. All banks. Let me see. Yeah, there is Standard Bank, Capitec, Absa, Nedbank. What else? FNB is there. Yeah, so most of the major banks are here. Also this shop is here. So and Sheet Street, favorite for people, some people. Oriental rugs. Yeah, these guys, they do sell carpets, these ones. Okay, couple of things here. So if you want to come do something here, it's quite easy for you. And Bidvets Waltons. Yeah, that's it, guys. I think I'm gonna have to leave you and I'm gonna have to go. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Comment if you like the video and all that. Yeah, that's it, guys. Check you and see you in the next video.